Hi guys, you're on horrified.com and today we have the Samsung Galaxy S6 in repair. And the problem sounds like no charging for unknown reason to the customer. After visual inspection, we already confidently believe that the charging port is defective. Beginner technician might surely be horrified by this news, as well as the client the possible cost of repair. Because the models Samsung Galaxy S6 and Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus lower cable with a charging port is not easy to remove, because its part with the sensor buttons goes under the display module. And if we detach the display, the cost of repair will increase significantly and will be comparable to the risks of damaging the sensor buttons and the display. And if we try to unsolder the charging port in the display frame, we might damage a lot of things around it. In these circumstances, we came up with a fairly simple, somewhat non-trivial approach to replacing the charging port. But before the repair, I wanted to say it's really important to detach the battery to avoid damaging yourself or your smartphone or anything else. And first we peel off the subboard with the charging port from the seat in the display module frame and disconnect the coaxial cable. Then we take the thin copper foil and put it under the subboard where the charging port is, between the flat cables that go to the sensor buttons. It is quite important to push the copper foil through so that we don't damage these flat cables. Okay, what is this foil we're using? This is one of the display layer of the Samsung smartphone. This foil can be removed from any broken or unwanted display on the inside. Let's go back to repair and tape the microphone hole with a heat-resistant tape, so that it doesn't accidentally overheat during our work. And we close all space around the subboard to protect the phone itself from overheating. In our case, these are metal covers from old Nokias. Then, very quickly, without overheating anything, with a heat gun we have to remove the old connector, as in this video. After that, we clean the contact pads, clean the flags off and prepare a new connector. And also apply new flags, tin with a soldering iron, and solder the charging port in its place quickly with a soldering heat gun. Okay, and the results of this repair: the smartphone responds to the charger, we have not damaged anything, and definitely the repair was successful. And the customer was satisfied, saving some money in the end. Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, read our articles on our website. Take care of yourself, and until next video.